everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Iris and today I will be continuing my Study With Me series. If you are new here, you can check out my Study With Me playlist linked in the description down below. And for today I will be talking about back to school supplies for 2021. So I have accumulated these supplies over my 4 years of undergrad and also my current degree in educational psychology at the master's level. So yeah, it's been quite a journey with working with these school supplies, and I find that these were the ones that really stuck out and stayed with me throughout the years. So the school supplies that I'll be sharing and showing you today are not sponsored. I felt that making this video for the summer kind of makes sense for the students who are going to be returning to campus in the fall, or for first-year students that are a little bit nervous in what they should be buying and preparing for their first semester of university. So the goal of my school supplies is to have a clean, organized, easy, convenient, lightweight set of tools for me to go on with my studies. So let's get to it. The first item I want to talk about is the BT21 or BTS file folders. These are convenient for holding onto pieces of paper, like loose paper. So I usually put my journal article readings in here for my courses, and then I also use them to organize my notes for finals and midterms. The second item I want to talk about is the BT21 Spiral Ring Notebook. It is a hardcover notebook and it is also lined. Here are the spirals, and I like to use this to write notes for my leisure reading. These are the BT21 Sticky Index with the vertical layout. These are sticky notes that you can put on your books and your readings to indicate important information. Here is a sample of me putting it in the Craft of Research book that I talked about in my 5 books that you students should all read. This is the BT21 Big Clip, and it is very good for bookmarks or even just stacks of paper that you want to clip together. Same here is the Craft of Research book, and I use it as a bookmark. This is the BT21 Mobile Stand Koya, and here are my BT21 Royce two-tone AirPod case. And I can put my phone here. This is the BT21 strap case with Tata. Just a hand strap here that you can use. So the phone stand, you can put your phone either front facing or back facing. This is the front facing. This is the back facing, and this is the BT21 strap case cookie version. And here's the front facing again. Here is the BT21 laptop case Koya version. This can fit a MacBook 13-inch. Here is the cookie version. Also for the MacBook 13-inch. Here is the Ubrands whiteboard that I use on my desk. So I use this whiteboard to keep track of due dates for my courses, like assignments, readings, papers, presentations, projects, and exams. And you can also use the whiteboard to study content in your courses. I usually have 2 handy. On the bottom, you can see the magnets that I have for special notes. This is my CES eraser that I use on the whiteboard. These are my Expo markers in a variety of colors. Here is my Expo whiteboard cleaner. These are individual wipes. This is the friction ball clicker erasable pen that I use in my courses, because if you are writing notes, you can always have the ease of erasing for mistakes. This is the Sharpie liquid highlighter that I use for my article readings to indicate important information. Here is the Sharpie Pen Stylo Fine. I use this when I can't use erasable pens. This is the friction ball clicker erasable pen refill. It has a carrying case for 3 refills, very convenient. This is the boxy eraser, one of my favorites. It's very strong, very good for exam taking. This is the Apple Lightning to VGA adapter, great for hooking on to projectors and doing in-class presentations. This is the Lithit Lab SmartFit Act pen case. It is very compact and very lightweight, one of my favorite pencil cases out there. This is the Murado Classic Black 2 HB pencils. 8 pencils come in the pack. These are perfect for taking exams, multiple choice ones specifically. This is the Moleskine Classic Large hardcover plain notebook. I like to use this to take notes on my readings and textbooks before lecture, and I like to have the plain notebook because it lets me kind of have a blank page without the lines in the way to distract me. I like to have a plain surface to write my notes on. So this is perfect. It has several pages. It usually lasts me at least one semester, possibly sometimes 2. And yeah, it is hardcover, and it also has an elastic to keep the book in place. And there's also a bookmark. This is the Moleskine 2Go plain and ruled notebook. So you get both the plain pages and also the lined pages. And I like this for taking notes sometimes because you might need some organization with the line, but then you also have one side plain for you to work with. I use this kind of smaller notebook to take notes on observations or any volunteer experience that I have, because during my undergrad I volunteered at 2 schools, and yeah, this is where I take my notes when I'm observing classroom experiences. If you're looking for a small notebook for to go, this is it. This is the Fivestar Flex Hybrid Note Binder. It has the notebook shape, but then also it has the binder rings. This is the Fivestar tab right-on wipe-off dividers. So I usually put my readings, syllabus, or any criteria assignments, rubrics in here. And yeah, so it keeps everything in place and organized for your courses. So here I have purchased the Fivestar Heavyweight Paper Refill. This paper is very sturdy and very nice to write on. So I would definitely suggest these when you are taking notes in your classes. And yeah, this is the overall note binder. Here is the Erin Condren LifePlanner vertical layout. So I haven't used this planner at all. It's completely new. I was going to use it during my thesis writing, and right now I am still on sick leave, but yeah, it's a very good planner from what I know. It has these different layouts, so this is kind of like the beginning of the year, kind of putting out your goals for that specific year for yourself. So in each section you will get line paper for notes and then also a nice quote. Here is the monthly layout. So you can customize which month you want to put in here, what dates you want. So if you don't have anything for that month, you can skip it. There is also a sidebar for notes. Here is the weekly layout. So it goes to Monday to Sunday, and you have 3 sections here where you can put the time and a more detailed schedule. And on the bottom, you can have some minor notes. Here is the Lithit rugged external hard drive, 2 terabytes. It comes with a USB-C adapter. I use this to back up my Mac desktop and also my MacBook Pro. This is the Logitech Spotlight remote. You can connect it to your computer through Bluetooth, and you can control your screen and also your presentation slides. This is the Whoosh Screen Shine. You can use it on all surfaces like your mobile devices, computers, glasses, TV screens, and yeah, you can just give it a nice wipe and it'll be clean. So I use the Aflox keyboard and mouse wrist support while I am typing on my keyboard and clicking on my mouse, as if you do this often without this resting area, it will hurt. And yes, I suggest this when you're writing papers for your courses. This is the BenQ eReading LED floor lamp. It's quite tall and slim, very convenient to save space. And yeah, here you can tap on this button to turn the lamp on. adjust the lighting to dim or bright with this knob, and tap again to shut off the light. This is the Moshi Helios Light laptop backpack, slim, compact, and lightweight. Here is the front pocket. Here is the interior. So this area here is for your laptop. That area there is your bigger pocket where you can put in your books and notebooks. Here is the compartment for smaller items. And these two smaller compartments you can put in your pens and pencils. And this zipper leads to another compartment where you can put in bigger items. The backpack also has a back compartment that can be accessed through a zipper as well. This is the Herschel tote bag. It's a magnetic clasp, and there's also a front zipper for a small amount of items. And here are 3 sections. So you have the knitted compartments here. I usually put snacks and stuff in there, and then a bigger compartment where you can put like tissue and medicine, and yeah, a larger compartment here I might put my textbooks and other items that I need if they don't fit in my backpack. This is the Lithit Lab Smart Fit Bag Organizer, A4 size. So it comes here with a zipper, and you open it up, you can fit a tablet in here. And then also you can have some compartments to put in some items that you need. And in the back there's also another compartment for you to put things in. This is the Lithit Lab Smart Fit Bag Organizer, size A5, slightly bigger than the one that was shown previously. Here inside you can fit a laptop and also a bigger tablet. Here is also a knitted compartment, and below there's another larger compartment. At the top there are also 3 more compartments for you to put your things in. And there is also another back compartment. So with each of these organizers you can put it in a tote bag like so. Or you can put it in your backpack if there's not a lot of ways to organize your stuff inside the backpack. You have to put a bag organizer in to keep everything in place so that it's easier to take things out. So Lithit Lab has come up with newer versions of these bag organizers. There's plenty to choose from, so definitely check online for one that works for you. So thanks for watching my video today. I am hoping that this is helpful for you to maybe have a new way of organizing your school supplies, or maybe for you to have a better understanding of what you can use during your undergraduate studies. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe and like the video and turn on post notifications, and I'll see you next time. Bye!